release the dopamine, dopamine.
What go on vlog world, it's a beautiful Sunday. And know me there. Wendy's. But I ain't gonna eat no Wendy's. No, I'm not eat Wendy's. I'm gonna eat a burger. I'm not eating Wendy's, I'm gonna eat a burger. Them call the restaurant Wendy's, but I'm gonna order a burger. I'm not ordering Wendy's. Oh dear I. But anyway, we're there with the team.
What team? What team?
You know what I mean?
Big up.
Same here, here and King Alvin up there up in that place. The man look like Justin Bieber. You know you want me. I know you care. Chairman.
So what Colonel this.
You know say Black girl, you know say Colonel this on the site. The boy start KFC and then trick with trimming up. You know see same trim. You see a food. You know say I Colonel Bill Wendy's though. You never look on him and see him look like Colonel. You know say a trim and chicken no. And say you know say me gonna make KFC and turn it in a burger. You know say a chicken and then him just take off him face and put him daughter face up there. You know say Gucci glasses is the man of man. You know say King Alvin onto something. You know say only can't tell me nothing. A Colonel, you know say I trick them chick quick. World, no, I'm not going to Carnival. But just I touch the road. Where it is, you see it? Yeah. I touch the road and I go call my dry head today, guys. Happy Saturday! Yeah. Yeah, guys, so just have some tell you guys. I'm officially back in the entertainment business 100% now. Your boy doing his thing. You know what I'm saying? To follow my passion and my dream and what I love. That's what I'm gonna do. Full time. Yeah, make them move. So y'all guys gonna journey with your boy for 2019. A different year, different journey.
Everything turn up for me, my friend, them not fi worry. Every single thing I sing, I miss them kind of curry. Lick up on the table where the cup, they beg you hurry. With a story, now me brain, me get side, make me blurry.
Yes, and I was like, oh my God. And the hotel, I can't afford them to just come there and stay like Jamaica kind and this and the kids. They have to learn to adapt.
Bitch, what?
As far as I can see, she loves only me. Love me now, don't love me later. When my later is much greater.
Me and her on Netflix and chill until when the sun come up. Head a rest for me shoulder, me and her rock on love.
Morning vlog world. So what go on? Yes, it is Sunday. My day. Hope y'all be enjoying that vibes. Yeah. I never get much footage a rifle thing. Cause we go late. But they want to get that for people, you know. Change up the content and thing and make us see our thing different. I will go everywhere. Yeah, so my day I'm just get ready. No, it's not the same shirt I have on. Means a Hanes man, guys. I have a whole heap of Hanes. Whole heap. Black, clear, white, Hanes Marina, everything. I love Hanes. You know what I mean? That's my thing that. So there now, I go fix up my ear and think I look away. Now about to touch the road. And yeah, I'm there. But happy Sunday to you guys. Hope you guys love the vibe and the energy. Yeah, so far. I'm there. You see it, so big up on yourself. Yeah. So journey with your boy. Morning vlog world. So what go on? Yes. It is Sunday. I'm there. Hope you be enjoying that vibes. Yeah. I never get much footage a rifle thing. Cause we go late. They want to get that for people, you know. Change up the content and thing I make on see our thing different. I will go everywhere. Yeah, so my day I'm just get ready. No, it's not the same shirt I have on. Means a Hanes man, guys. I have a whole heap of Hanes. Whole heap. Black, clear, white, Hanes Marina, everything. I love Hanes. You know what I mean? That's my thing that. So there now, I go fix up my ear and think I look away. Now about to touch the road. And yeah, I'm there. But happy Sunday to you guys. Hope you guys love the vibe and the energy. Yeah, so far. I'm there. You see it, so big up on yourself. Go on vlog world, so I'm there. I was supposed to go up on the road today. Go help out one of my friends. But that never did really happen. Yeah, so I'm there up here. Come link Mackie from Freeman's and thing. I'm there still, team, you know. To be honest still. Okay, yo, this new adventure or this new chapter in my life kinda a bit nervous and scared still. Well, I guess scary, cause take the leap of faith there and I left the 9 to 5. I left the comfort zone, guys, for go back in entertainment and try this YouTube thing and do this YouTube thing, you know. Yeah, it's only natural for human being, you know, to have a little doubt and thing. But may I really step out in a faith still, because you know I've been working at my workplace for a very long time. So just all of this new transition from there, doing all of this full time, it's kind of crazy still, but a day I do, so that my day I think I just need to stay focused, because if I think about it too much, my mind I go all over the place. I'm not my mind all over the place too much, you know. So yeah, I just try to stay focused and study up and do what I have to do. All of the things that I usually do. And come back. You ready? You ready? Yeah, Mackie them ready and thing. So yeah, I just want stay focused and thing. And put in the work. You know what I mean? Me and the team. And see what can happen. So I just go on journey with the boy. And just go and pray for me. I'll just continue all of this in a faith, and I have a good feeling everything gonna be alright and something big is gonna happen in spite of all of the feelings. So yeah, me there. Thank you very much. Just go and journey with the boy. I'm telling him that 150 times already. But me there. I wanna go and journey with the boy. Vlogger! Mackie up in a building in a youth. Yeah. Sherry signed us up in the building. What she look like, when she do that a while ago, you know, she look like Momo. You know, look at things, slit your wrist. Juke it in your eye after. Where they have vlog girl. Is it such a beautiful day? Anyway, vlog world, let's go on journey with your boy. Bye.
Everything turn up for me friend them not fi worry. Every single thing me sing, I miss them call me curry. Lick up on the table where the cup, they beg you hurry. With a story in my brain, me get side, make me